everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started. Hi everyone.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing you different types of jackets. These are short jackets as well as long, and these you can wear with your plain simple kurtis and enhance the look of your simple plain kurtis into a designer work by making these kind of different patterns of jackets. So please do watch the video till the end and let me know which one you like the most. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear updates.